Depending on your settings, you might have text messages appear on your home screen with the actual content of the text message. If you want to change that or modify it or stop that from happening completely, this is how you do it. Jump into the settings, scroll down to notifications, and then scroll down until you get to messages. It's alphabetical order, so keep going to the M section, tap on that. And here we have various options for where the messages appear or the notifications for the messages, but we also have the ability to change what is shown on the lock screen under lock screen appearance. If I tap into this, do we show the previews always? Or do we show the previews when unlocked? That's the default. Or we show previews never. So if you never want to see any information in the text message on the lock screen, tap on never. It'll still show that someone sent you a text message and it'll show their name or their phone number, but it's not going to show the content of that message if you tap never. I'm going to keep mine on the default setting. If you want the notifications to not appear at all on the lock screen, not even that so-and-so sent you a message, just nothing at all on the lock screen, just uncheck this, the lock screen option. Notifications for the messages will still appear in the notification center and in the banners, but you can uncheck those too if you want to. And if you want no notifications at all from text messages at the very top, just turn off allow notifications, and now you won't receive any notifications from anybody sending you text messages except for critical alerts. You can turn those off as well, but I feel like critical alerts might be critical, and these are usually sent out by government institutions, not just random people on your contact list. This is for like earthquakes and tsunamis and things like that where you probably want to know about them. So I would keep that one on, even if you turn off allow notifications for messages. And if you find that your phone has been slowing down lately, check out this video because you might have a virus or malware on your phone that's slowing it down. So if you want to determine if that could be the problem on your phone and fix it, this is the video for you. And if you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know, and I will see you on this one.